This is Paul. Yes. Um, I just wanted to read it without prejudice, a phrase implying that no rights of the contesting parties have been affected by the disposition of the matter before the court. Yes. Now, you can appreciate what is known as with prejudice. Indicates the matter has been settled without possibility of appeal. See dismissal with prejudice. See also res judicata. Now, in both court cases, the dismissal was without prejudice. Right. That means that has been settled without possibility of appeal. Now, as I look at it, yes. On January 9th, yeah, 2019, I think it was without prejudice. Right. I kind of mentioned that I'd like to appeal that court decision. And it seems that nobody really believes that I have any constitutional rights. So now I'm going to find it here in just a second. Yes. See, this idea of not admitting evidence as a police department or prosecuting attorney, yeah, where I wasn't interning, yes, and I wasn't cyber stalking, right, um, is really obstructing my use of the judicial system. Yeah. Now, I know I had emailed before the snowstorm, yes. In fact, I had emailed on June 16th of 2017. Yeah. And you made me go to 14 months worth of court hearings. Yes. And then you dismissed it, as I remember, without prejudice. So now I was wanting to use that judicial system today. And I didn't get any phone calls. No. I didn't get any emails. No. And I'm a little concerned that you might not realize, yes, how much I want to sue you. True. hmm I mean, I really, really, really want to sue you. Yes. As in, I was absolutely sure about my want to sue you. Yeah. And, see, this says dismissal without prejudice. This case is dismissed without prejudice because I was not in Sequim, Washington. Yeah. You made me go to court approximately 10 months, right? Put me in jail for 31 days. Yeah. And I had given you the evidence that I wasn't there. I was in the Port Angeles library. And you said, well, we're just not going to enforce the law. But this idea without prejudice, yes, it opens it up for me as the defendant to actually appeal the decision of the court. Yes. Mm-hmm. Now, I was arrested for allegedly violating the protection order. Yes. Mm-hmm. Homeless man, birth date 7/13/1970. Yes. On or about 7:47 a.m. on 12/31/2015. Now, I had slept at the homeless shelter that night. Yes. I was on bus 26 at 7 a.m. and you, as a county, thought that you would cover up your crime of the false arrest. Yeah. False imprisonment. Yes. And then the false incompetence. Right. And then you're going to sit there every day, and you're going to deprive me of my right to sue you. Now, just looking at Jefferson County, okay, um, I have documented quite a few lawsuits. Yes. And I realize the library is closed today, It didn't upset me that I had to walk in the snow so as to catch the bus. Now, this one says without prejudice. hmm Again, I was found incompetent. Poop. hmm 9th day of January 2019, approximately a month ago. Yes. Now, it is open to appeal because it was not dismissed with prejudice. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And I just wanted to make sure that every police officer and all those that are sheriffs, every judge, every prosecuting attorney, and all public defenders know that I'm really dissatisfied, really dissatisfied with the honest service of those that have uniforms on. Now, I bring this to you because without prejudice, a phrase implying no rights of the contesting parties. Yes. See, on the one side was the state of Washington. That's right. On the other side is the named party. Yeah. Have been affected by the disposition of the matter before the court. Yes. Yes, yes. Now, we spent a lot of time going over this idea. Now, there was, who was it? Hardy or Barney? Or, there was a name of an individual. Yes, I probably have to look at my record. But I thought for sure that I could sue you for X number of millions of dollars as a county. Both Jefferson County and Clallam County. Yes. Then I could sue the state of Washington for, well, it could be $200 billion. Dollars. Then I could sue each and every state of the United States. Well, I was competent to stand trial, and I'm just charging up my phone because the library's closed today. Yes. Did you? I'm going to want those laws enforced today.